Okay, here we are. We just turned onto the road for Clingmans Dome. We pulled over to the side of the road, obviously. We're going to go find the secret tunnel. I think this is it right here. Warning. Oh, this looks like it might be it. Oh, it is. A little tough. Your turn. Come on. Come on, baby. It's easy. Just jump right there. The trail goes this way.
Okay, I'm going to pick this last place before me. Before I broke my neck.
Yeah, that's the way I did it too, yeah. That last step's a doozy.
Hey!
You know what I mean.
Like me?
Alright. We're there. The secret tunnel. I think that was poison ivy. I'll regret that. There we are, secret tunnel. Yeah, the picture. We are going back through the tunnel.